So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am back with another learning opportunity, a cool hackathon, a cool challenge by Major League Hacking, that is MLH. So we'll cover all things in detail, but before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. Coming over here, it's Global Hack Week data. 13th February till 19th of February, which will be lasting. So you have time till 19th to complete the challenges. Here you can see these are completely free of cost. You'll be getting workshops. If you don't know, you are a beginner, there will be workshops which will help you to understand the concepts. Also, you'll be getting the recording for it too. Now here, what are the challenges you have to do? Let me just show you. Here basically you have to do simple challenges. For example, here you can see some of the challenges are same, that here we have to just attach sign up for the GitHub developer pack and attach a screenshot over there. Fill the address form. Here you have to simply open it. Okay. And here you have to add your details like name, etc. All the things you have to mention. Okay. So you have to mention your first name, last name, shipping address so that you'll be getting the swags. And swags is for everyone. Okay. They'll be shipping the swags to everyone so that you can get it very soon and it will be sent via postal means. Now here you can see these are the challenges. So for example, if you click on check in over here, and here you can see you have to simply check in over here. How to check in? First of all, what you need to do, you need to do one thing, that you need to register over here. So how to register? It's very simple. Okay, you have to simply click on login and register. And simply, if you have an old account, you can simply sign in with it. Or if you have a new account, means you are participating for the first time, you can click on sign up. Okay, you can click on sign up over here, and an email will be sent to your mail. There you have to just do the simple procedure just like we do for creation of account, and after that your account will be set. So I am just signing in. Now it will send you a 6-digit code. You have to enter it and simply continue over here. Just click on continue, and this is how we register for the MLH. And if you already have account, or even if you don't have account, the process will be same. Okay. Now, if you want to add a picture, details, all the things, you can modify your profile like this. Now come back over here to the main link. Now from here, you have to click on registration. And these are the challenges, like whether we have to register for the event, register for the profile, etc. And these are the multiple challenges. Like if you are interested in no code challenge, you can select the no code, where you have to just attach the screenshot or perform some of the task, simple task. Okay, no coding is required. Now partner challenges, these are the partner challenges. So like this you can just filter it out. So here, how to register and check in for the event, that is this. So simply click on it, and once you are signed in, you have to simply click on register. All the details you have to select from where you reside, and it's globally. Okay, and if you're underage, like 17 years or 16 years, you can mention your parents name. You can just select anything, your region, whether you're from India, then select APAC region, or if you're from North America or European region, you can select as per you. Now just add it, just type NA if you don't want to share your GitHub repo, and just all the things are done, just submit it. Now you're successfully registered and you are checked into. Now, the next thing what you need to do, you need to come over here for just API week, which will be starting in April. You can just click on register. You can just mention your detail and continue. So like this, you have to enter all the things. Okay, if you want. So here you have to enter your school name or college name. And just add the month over here. I'm using random data. Okay. Major. You can write like this. You can just add any detail over there and simply click on continue. So we are successfully added and registered over here. And date of birth it's asking. So I'm just adding 11/04/11. This is not fair. This is not my real date of birth, first of all, to be precise. And we have done all the things. Now, after that, you have to select your country. Just select all the checkbox. NA, and just submit it. So, okay. Now you're successfully registered for this event. Like this, you have to do for all the things. Okay. Now here, the next thing is that how to complete the challenges. So, for example, you are just completing the GitHub sign up challenge. So you have to simply open over here, click on submit your project. And what you need to do, you need to share the screenshot. Okay. Share your GitHub profile over here and then upload the screenshot. Okay. GitHub landing page. For example, so you have to simply Google search and just open the GitHub developer page, means pack. And then once you have clicked on it, just click on the sign up option, fill the details, all the things over here. And once you fill it, you have to simply upload the screenshot. The challenges are very simple. Okay. And just you can select anything, like you can build a simple website also using ChatGPT and mention over there that I use a basic web app and submit the project over here. And when submitted, you are eligible for the swags. See, once you sign in and complete some of the challenges, you are eligible for the swags and you'll be getting everything free of cost. No delivery charges are required. So you can see these are the courses. I think here we have to just complete some of the courses also depending on what skills you have. So here it's related to MongoDB. Okay. So how to submit your project? First of all, you need to click on this course. And if you want to know how to submit the badges also, it's very simple. You have to open this course directly and complete it. So you have to simply commit or complete all these things, and here will be some assignments. Once you complete all the modules, you have to attach the screenshot. You'll be getting a digital badge. Okay, you have to complete 10 skills question which are listed over here. And once you complete it, you'll be getting the badge which you have to attach the screenshot over here. Simply click on submit project. And here you can see you have to upload the screenshot of the Credly badge you'll be getting in email. If you want a detailed guide for it, you can comment down below. I'll make a video for it. So here you have to paste the link of the course and then upload the screenshot. Mostly I think here you have to paste the link of the badge. The badge URL, just we have the qwiklabs profile badge URL. And after that you have to attach the screenshots, all the things, and just you can mention anything over here. Okay, you can mention MongoDB over here. Okay. So like this, you can complete the challenges. Very simple. Swags will be sent to you within few weeks and you'll be able to get it. And here I repeat, everyone who participate in this event will be getting the swags and you'll be getting the recordings also. So make sure to take part in this challenge. I hope it clears your doubt. And if you're you can see it's 100% free for all. So if you have any doubts, you can join their Discord community and get your doubts cleared. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.